Toyota Tamaraw 2C engine, issue hard starting. Bali palit ng valve guide, valve set ring, tapos engine valve. Ito yung head, bali na pa machine shop bago engine valve, valve set ring, tapos valve guide. Ito naman yung ilalagay natin, original head gasket steel. Tapos magpapalit rin ng timing belt, original. So ayan, overtime gabi na. Toyota 2C Tamaraw FX.